production.
Guys, we are in freaking Mexico. We're in Cabo, bitches. So this is the real. It's so fucking cute. I love it. This is the best. And put my makeup right there. And it's you see the shower? Yeah. Okay, the tub is right there. Yvette's there. We got 3 robes. I'm definitely wearing it. The mini bar, because that's the only place we're gonna be at. Okay, we got 3 beds because it's 3 bad bitches only. And then that's this area. And then look outside. And then our neighbors is Alexa and Lexi, but they're inside. But yeah, this is it. And I can't wait to show you guys the rest of our trip. Are you excited about it? We're so excited! All right, guys. So we're back. We're getting ready for an all-white party. It's giving Jamaica vibes because you know Jamaicans love wearing all white. Just any Caribbean person likes wearing all white. But this is the outfit. It's a romper, but it looks like a dress. I don't like it. This is my hair. I love it. I'll show you other ladies when they're like done. So yeah, so we're gonna eat first and then go to that. So hopefully that is fun. So see you guys there. So now I changed my outfit. Let's not talk about that. But right now we are at the buffet because all the rest of the restaurants, they're like an hour wait and it's 8 of us. But I'm gonna show you guys my plate because my plate looks good and it better taste good. It better taste good. Good eats. Only high vibrational plates over here with the dessert on the side, and that's a Piriana. Okay, so last night 2 motherfucking turn. Last. Yeah, I'm not drinking anymore. It's my last time drinking. Cabo 1, Odrin 0 yesterday. But today I want a tie. I want Cabo to be on their fucking ass, not me. So we're gonna go ATV riding. I'm wearing this little number. This top, Fashion Motherfucking Nova, and these shorts, these Baja shorts, is Walmart, and they have pockets. And then I'm not wearing my Crocs, I'm wearing sneakers, wearing these sunnies. Oh, and I had to bring my bandana because I don't want nothing in my mouth. And then my hair, I like how cute it is, all curly, stuff like that. Look at that side profile. And my nails, they fire. Such a random vlog, but yeah, I'm gonna try to do the best with vlogging, but it's gonna be hard because this trip is, I love it here. I love it. Me gusta. This is really giving baddies of Cabo. Where's Madame Nun? Because these hoes, they plotting. You see us all wearing different colors. That's real motherfucking crazy. I feel like that's real motherfucking disrespectful. They didn't want to tell nobody. And we have a whole fucking group chat. Yeah, it's up and it's stuck. It's up and it's stuck. So we just got to the ATV place. Cabo Adventures. Alright, so we just finished doing the camel ride. How do you like it? Fun. I would do it again. They're back there.
Yeah, we saw a whale.
Yeah, she saw a whale. I didn't see a whale. And I'm nervous. This place is great. The camera stretched before because my legs hurt. But now we're about to be TVs.
Here, now it's gonna be in Spanish.
Abajo?
You speak more fluent now, guys.
I don't know if we do it.
That works. So put your shot in the air and we're gonna say arriba,
Arriba!
abajo,
Abajo!
al centro,
Adentro! Salud! I always do. I know I was gonna lose. Woo! Woo! Hold on, man.
please help me? Everybody say, shut, 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 shut.
Alright, so we about to go to the pool. We taking shots. Well, they taking shots.
We're taking a shot.
I'm taking a shot. Let me in the shot. Woo! Baddies of Cabo, what's up, y'all? Crazy. Alright guys, so we survived the pool. 2 of our members are down. So the rest of us are about to go get some food, hopefully. Hopefully we get an actual restaurant instead of the buffet. And then I'm gonna come up here and do my makeup because my face looks crazy. Mexico don't fucks with me like that. And then this is the outfit I'm gonna wear to the club, Fashion Nova. And then I'll let you know what it's gonna be the club looking like, okay? Because we met some people, so we'll see. Alright, so now we're eating at the steakhouse, the resort. I already ate my food because Hey guys, we are alive and wow.
I'm alive tonight.
So we went out last night. It was 2 turn. We were strippers for the night. We made no money. She made $3. Yeah. So now we are about to go get food. And I thought I seen boys. Hold on. We're about to go get breakfast, and then we're gonna just hang out by the pool. I'm gonna dip my toe in it, and then some of us are gonna go to tequila tasting, and some of us are not. That's what happens when you get drunk. Don't drink, kids. It's bad for you. So right now we're about to go to tequila tasting. I'm scared because I don't like tequila. I don't drink that. I just need a mixed drink. Like, I really want to do a shot. The 3 other girlies, they said back, they want to be in the pool and relax and be whack. So, yeah. Space is so not open.
We're like buying that wearing that. See, I thought we were like I didn't know.
All right, we just left the tequila tasting and it was so fun. And the guy was so great and nice. We back at it. I feel like I'm a Colombian now. I'm too turned for this. I got drunk, and yeah. But we're gonna find an ATM for a little just a thought, and then head back to the telly. Too much. All right, so we are about to go to the pool party. We just got back from the wine tasting. And
Tequila tasting.
it was too much. Fake wine. 2 turns, yeah, fake wine. But we're gonna go to the pool party. We're about to get like something to eat real quick, and then we're gonna find the rest of the ladies and the other ladies. Oh, it's me. The other ones are gonna meet us there as well. But I can't wait to show you guys the pool party. I was watching my friend's snaps being fake, and it looks like a fun time. So can't wait. Not the hat. Not the hat. Alright guys, we're where?
Wait.
Okay guys, we are late to dinner, but it's because we look like bad fucking bitches. Yes, we're late but we're on time. So there we go. Look at the blue. Look at the blue, look at the blue, look at the blue. So we're doing a little blue out. We're eating for Freya's birthday. We're going back to the steakhouse because they weren't able to go the day before. But let me know about my makeup, you guys, because I don't like it, but it looked good in this photo, in this little picture. But me no me gusta. And then what else? Then we're gonna get ready to go to the club. I'm definitely changing because I'm gonna shake some ass, shake some motherfucking ass. But yeah. So we're out, ladies. Period. Okay, let me show you the view.
Now make that motherfucker hammer time.
Alright, we have risen from the dead. Look at us.
Well, you were more dead than I
I was dead. I was deady, but I had a great time. Alright. Like 4 in the morning. No, close to 5 because we went to the lounge and people were talking to us. It was like, I'm falling asleep. I said, me too. But like, they were like, you know what I mean? I was like, okay. That's the Molly guys. But last night was so fun. There was one more person asked me if I want to do coke. I swear.
It's the coke.
I'm calling the government. But we're about to get breakfast. Eat. Here, munch. Mama. And then we're about to go somewhere to go to the boat party. So that should be fun. Hopefully there is some fun men. Single. And that's it. I can't wait to show you guys that. Gonna eat real quick. Bye. Whoa! Hey, not the shy twerk! Not the shy twerker! Whoa! Hey! Whoa! Me, what? Right up and down that red, hey, head like oh, and come inside, say she's scared, right? And yo, I'm jogging on the track, talking on your bitch ass, got you at your local party, yes I give it favorite day. So me and Destiny have been so fun time. This whole trip.
We love it.
We love it here. I have started not to be on time either. So we love it. So we're supposed to be at Nobu at 8:30. It's a 30-minute drive. It's 7:45. So we're gonna see the chaos.
We love it.
So yeah, we're just gonna wait in the lobby.
You know,
The rest of
ones.
yeah. The rest of the girlies. You know everybody else ready, but they're gonna see the chaos. And we gotta go. Get out. This has nothing to do with us. So we like that. Wow, everybody's all here finally. We love it. And look at the person. Yes, mamas. And look at who made. She's a phantom. All right, Nobu. I can't remember fine.
Take that.
We're leaving. Buenos dias. Oh my god, it was so much fun in Cabo. We wish we stayed longer. 2 motherfucking term. Not enough days. Okay, so we are about to head home. Destiny about to leave us and depart. So what was your favorite part of the trip? Alexiance, hashtag birthday girl.
Getting drunk.
Okay. Lexi, what was your favorite part of the trip?
ATVs.
Okay. Yvette, what was your favorite part of the trip?
The boys that I
didn't get to make out with.
Oh, okay.
I wonder why.
Destiny, what was your favorite part of the trip?
ATVs, Camos, drunk at the pool.
Period. All right, so we're about to head out. Oh, so my favorite part of the trip was the boat party because two-turn. The ATV was fun as well. The Camo, I was stressed out, but it was a great experience. And you guys should definitely go to Cabo and get to turn like we did. Thank you guys for watching my video. Bye.